ഞാനും പോയിടാം സുവിശേഷവുമായി, പോയിടാം നാം യേശുവിനായി സാക്ഷികളായിടാം, പോയിടാം നാം ലോകം.
A reading from the book of Job, chapter 14, verses 1 to 22. We all are born weak and helpless. All lead the same short, troubled life. We grow and wither as quickly as flowers. We disappear like shadows. Will you even look at me, God, or put me on trial and judge me? Nothing clean can ever come from anything as unclean as man. The length of his life is decided beforehand, the number of months he will live. You have settled it, and it can be changed. Look away from him and leave him alone. Let him enjoy his hard life if he can. There is hope for a tree that has been cut down. It can come back to life and sprout. Even though its roots grow old and its stump dies in the ground, with water in its sprout like a young plant. But man dies, that is the end of him. He dies, and where is he then? Like rivers that stop running and lakes that go dry, people die never to rise. They will never wake up while the sky endures. They will never stir from their sleep. I wish you would hide me in the world of the dead. Let me be hidden until your anger is over, and set a time to remember me. If a man dies, he can come back to life, but I will wait for better times. Wait till this time of trouble is ended. Then you will call and I will answer, and you will be pleased with me, your creature. Then you will watch every step I take, but you will not keep track of my sins. You will forgive them and put them away. You will wipe out all the wrongs I have done. There comes a time when mountains fall and solid cliffs are moved away. Water will wear down rocks and heavy rain will wash away the soil. So you destroy man's hope for life. You overpowered a man and sent him away forever. His face is twisted in death. His sons win honor but never knows it. Nor is he told when they are disgraced. He feels only the pain of his own body and the grief of his own mind.